This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Bob Weyrauch. Central Boca Guard gated condo community. First floor unit with split bedroom floor plan. Tile and new wood-like floors. Modern kitchen with granite countertops. Screened patio. Washer and dryer in the unit. Rent includes water, basic cable and internet access. Service repair contract in place. Nice community amenities include large clubhouse with fitness room and on-site manager, heated pool and SBA, tennis court, tot lot play area. Sorry, no pets or smokers allowed. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob Weyrauch at 561-283-7370.